Hello, here are the steps for the setup of the Clairos 4G router. If you are using AT&T, you need to go to att.com/prepay. If you scroll down the page, you find the SIM card that you need to use with this. If you're doing a prepay plan, just click on that and you can buy it from AT&T or you can buy it from Walmart, eBay, Amazon. To activate, go down the page, you will find the activation link. You click there. They're going to ask you for the SIM card number. Once you get a card, you're going to have this 20-digit number that you can use. Now you can complete that later. Now the SIM card is not included with the router. You can buy your own SIM card, AT&T, T-Mobile, whichever provider you choose. Now we need to power up the router to get the second number that we're asking you. We connect the router to the laptop with an Ethernet cable. You see here it's a USB adapter that is not included with the router. You may not need it if your laptop already has an Ethernet port. I don't have it, that's why I'm using it. Now let's go to AT&T page and we need to get this IMEI number. This number is a unique 15-digit for your 4G router. Now to get the number, we had to turn on the airplane mode or just disconnect from the Wi-Fi. And let's go to this address that will take us to the administration page of the router. Let's go to network 4G. And here we can find the number that we need, the router number. We copy that and then we paste that same number in the AT&T page. Now, before we proceed with all the things, we have to connect back to the Wi-Fi. Connect back and proceed with the activation of the prepay. This is just for the activation of the prepay card. Now let's go back to the router. We have to disconnect from the Wi-Fi to do the next step, AT&T APN. That would be phone. You have different APNs for different providers. For AT&T, it's just phone. For T-Mobile, is fast.tmobile.com. And here we're going to activate it for T-Mobile. Now we're testing the two different providers. We know that it works for AT&T and T-Mobile. Now let's go back to network interfaces, and in 4G we stop the interface. We say okay, we want to stop the 4G interface, and let's go to edit. Let's go to protocol and change that to a different protocol. We are gonna use the UMTS protocol. We switch, go ahead and switch, and then we select the modem device. We're gonna use USB 4 on this case. Save and apply the changes. Now we're working this. We're not gonna actually do Wi-Fi now. We're working on the router. Every time we work on the router, we're not connecting to the Wi-Fi. We apply those changes, and now let's go back to interfaces 4G and click connect. Connect the interface. We're gonna see some packets receiving on the interface. Here we go. Now airplane mode off. Now we are connecting to the Wi-Fi. Now we're gonna test because it's telling us that we already. Yep. Okay. So let's connect to the Clairos. This will be the router. Connect. There's no password. You can configure that later. Say it's connected. Connection is open. Now we're gonna test. Let's do Google. Yep, we can connect to Google. That means Wi-Fi is working, 4G is working. Let's do Clairos network. Let's go to that page. Yeah, we find it in Google. There it is. If you need any more information, you can go to the Clairos product page, Clairos 4G/LTE/router, if you need any help, or you can just send an email to Clairos and we be happy to help you. Thank you very much. I hope this is informative for you, and please don't forget to share, like, blah blah blah. Thank you.